Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a file in GitHub repository. So first I need to open the Google search bar and I'll have to type GitHub. Then I'll go to my GitHub account. I'll open my GitHub account. So these are the repositories that are already there in my GitHub account. So I'll go over here, your repositories. So from here, I'm going to pick this customer repository. So from this repository, I want to delete this customer file. I don't want this file anymore. So I'll click the customer file and then I will go over here and I will delete file. I will click delete file and then commit changes. Okay, fine. Everything is okay. I will commit changes and then the file will be deleted. File successfully deleted. So this is how you delete a particular file from GitHub repository. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a great learning.